Hello, my friends. It's so nice to see you. Today, I feel very excited. Do you know why? Because I am going to ride on a train for the very first time. I feel happy and a little nervous. I have never been on a train before. I will visit my family in another city, and I can't wait to see them. This is a big moment for me, and I want to share it with you. Today, you will hear some easy English words for travel. You will also hear short conversations that happen at the train station and on the train. Are you ready to listen and learn together? Let's begin. I arrive at the train station. It is big and busy. Many people are walking. Some are pulling suitcases. Some are looking at the big timetable on the wall. I walk to the ticket counter. A friendly woman is sitting there. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I'd like a ticket to Riverside, please.
Sure. One way or return?
Return, please. I will come back tonight.
Okay, let me check. The next train to Riverside leaves at 10:30.
Great. What time will it arrive?
It will arrive at 11:15.
Perfect.
That will be $12, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your ticket.
Thank you very much. Which platform should I go to?
Platform 3. Just follow the signs over there.
Okay. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thanks. Bye. I hold the ticket in my hand. I feel excited. This is the start of my first train journey. I walk through the station and follow the signs to platform 3. The signs are big and blue with white numbers. I see an arrow pointing to the right. I turn and keep walking. The floor is shiny and my shoes make a soft tapping sound as I walk. I can hear the rolling noise of suitcases. Some people are pulling big bags. Some are carrying small backpacks. I also hear the distant sound of a train whistle. When I arrive at platform 3, I stop and look around. There are many people waiting. Some are sitting on long wooden benches. Some are standing near the edge looking down the tracks. A little boy is holding his mother's hand and pointing at a train far away. I'm not completely sure if I'm in the right place. I see a man with a small backpack, and I decide to ask him, "Excuse me, is this platform 3 for Riverside?"
Yes, it is. The train will arrive in about 10 minutes.
Great, thank you. Is it usually on time?
Most of the time, yes.
That's good to hear. I'm a little nervous.
It's my first train ride.
Oh, don't worry. You will enjoy it. The trip is short and very nice.
That sounds wonderful. Thank you. I smile and find an empty bench. I sit down and hold my ticket in my hand. I look at the tracks. They shine in the sunlight. A cool breeze touches my face. I take a deep breath and feel both excited and curious. In just a few minutes, I will step onto a train for the very first time. A few minutes later, I hear a loud sound. Choo-choo, choo-choo. The train is coming. I stand up and look down the tracks. Slowly, the train gets closer. It is big and silver, with blue stripes on the side. I can see the driver's window at the front. The train slows down and stops with a soft screech. The doors slide open with a whoosh. People begin to get off. Some are carrying shopping bags. Some are holding coffee cups. A man is helping an elderly woman with her suitcase. When it is my turn, I step inside. The floor feels steady under my feet. The air smells clean, and I can hear the low hum of the engine. I look around. There are rows of seats, some by the window and some by the aisle. I see an empty seat next to a young woman who is reading a book. Hello, is this seat free? Yes, please sit down. Thank you. I put my backpack on my lap and smile. The woman closes her book for a moment. Is this your first time on this train? Yes, it's my very first train ride. Oh, you'll enjoy it. The view is beautiful. That's nice to hear. Where are you going today? I'm going to visit my grandparents. And you? I'm visiting my family in Riverside. That's lovely. I hope you have a good trip. Thank you. You too. The train starts to move. I feel a gentle push back into my seat. Through the window, I see the platform slowly passing by, and then the buildings, and soon open fields. The journey has begun. After about 45 minutes, the conductor walks down the aisle and says, "Next stop, Riverside Station." I turn to the woman next to me and say, "That's my stop." She smiles and says, "Have a great time with your family." I reply, "Thank you, and enjoy your visit to your grandparents. The train slows down and gently stops. The doors open and I step out onto the platform. I look around. Riverside Station is smaller than my home station. I feel a mix of excitement and joy. My family is waiting for me outside. I wave and start walking toward them. This was my first train ride, and it was even better than I imagined. I learned how to buy a ticket, how to find the platform, and how to talk to other passengers. I smile and think, next time I will travel by train again.